This is a professional screen protector for a cell phone, and it has eye protection, it's oil resistant and fingerprint resistant, it has a natural touch screen, and it's scratch resistant. So we'll open it up. It has screen protector accessories. It has a little frame. It has stick-on labels, it looks like. And it has more screen protector accessories. And it has let's see, I thought it had 3 screens. Let me see. Yes, it has 2 in this package. And it has 1 in this package. They're all just alike. So I'm going to take 1 out of the package that has 2, put 1 back. Now, oh, it has directions on the back of the box. Okay. So let me turn this box over. And it says 1 minute. Okay. So I've got this little frame. It says it's easy to fit. It has high stickiness without curling edges. It has smooth edges, not blocking the screen and not scraping your hands. I want to thank the brand for sending me this so that I could try out their screen protector and show all of you how to use it and show all of you how to put it on. Step 1 is to open one of these packages of screen protectors of accessories. Step 1 is to open one of these packages of accessories. So we've got dry wipes and wet wipes. Dry, wet, dry, wet. And we've got 3 sets. And we've got dust absorbers. Little sheets, I guess. I think there's only 2. No, there's 3. Okay. Now, first thing I need to do, I think, is turn off my phone. And lay it on this little pad, and then try the wet wipe. I have to get my fingernail in there to get it open. Cleaning it off. Then you take this dust absorber. Oh, I guess you dry it first, probably. We'll do that. Dry it. Then we'll take the dust absorber and peel it off of this backing and just go over the screen. Okay, that should be dust free. Then I want to get the screen protector out. Peel off the backing. Put the frame down, I guess. And then put this down, which fits right into the frame. You can see it's adhering to the phone. There's a bubble. But I'm working it out. I'm going to take this dry cloth again, and maybe that will help. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Then I'll just lift that off, and it's on perfectly edge to edge. There is still a little bubble left, so right here. Okay, then we've got these stick-on things. Let's see what they do. These keep dust out. You just pull it off. It's sticky. I can get it started here. Okay. I don't know. I don't think it was supposed to pull off that yellow part, but I'm not sure. I'll get another one anyway. Okay, now This goes on the bottom of the phone. Covers up all those little holes. So I have to position it just right in the center. I think I was doing it backwards. I had the sticky part up. That won't work. Okay. There. There, I've got it on the bottom of the phone. Can you see it? And also, there are two little plugs. So, you need to put that in the center here, where it charges, where you put the charging cord, and it just covers up that hole. So that's a dust protector, that whole thing, that strip and that plug. So no dust can get in there now, which is pretty neat. And so we have installed it. It wasn't hard. You might like to try it too.